Hello everyone, a very good afternoon. Hello everybody. I welcome you all to the session. I'm Sanjana. I'll be taking your number Fumblers session today. So, all of you connected with me, first of all, please drop in your highs. Just drop in your names along with your grades. Which grade are you all in? Let me know, please, in the comment section. Everyone, I'm going to take your session. It's a math session. I'll be taking it with you all. So just before that, I would like to know where are my friends connected from and which grade are you all in? Hello, Harshita. Hi. Pehel. Akshata. Hello. Nirali. Rida Fatima. Hi. Bhagyashri. Good afternoon. Raghavansh, after a long time, it seems. Okay. Arya Krishna, hi. Shanawaz, hello. Ankur. Shreya, Arav, Nibetha, hi. Good afternoon, everyone. 10th, 7th grade, okay. Shanum, your name is Shanum, okay. I'll keep it in mind. Rhythm, hi, good afternoon. Grade 6, okay. Okay, 4th grade, 6th grade, alright. Bhavjot, okay. First, okay, alright. Avni, hi. Okay, all right, everyone. As much as I'm delighted to start off the session with you all, we'll do that in a few minutes. Now, okay. So those who are connected with me and are still connecting, please keep a notebook with yourself for today's sessions. Everyone, we'll need a notebook. It's a math session. We will need a notebook. Okay. Now today's session. Kavyangsh, hello. 8th, okay. Great. So 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th graders, this class is going to be fun today. It's a math session. And the ones in 2nd or 3rd or 4th grade, you all will need to be in the loop. The questions might not come off that easy for you all. So we will always learn. There's always a chance at learning. So do not worry on that. Even if you're unable to fare through any kind of questions, we will help you out. And if you feel that the question is something that you are unable to understand, you can drop in your doubts. And if you feel that it is something you're unable to grasp, you can leave it out there. Okay. So before that, as everyone, we are already aware, so about the summer camp, we are going on till 31st. Okay. So we are happily going on with the 6th week this week. So right over here is the schedule for the upcoming classes. So today at 6 p.m. again you have inventions and discoveries quizzing session. All right. And tomorrow we have a pop culture quiz with your mentor Anne and a mock trial with your mentor Aranya. Then on 20th you can stay tuned for a Harry Potter quiz. So Potterheads, you can get excited about this. Then we have a talk it out special parenting session, and on 21st we have a Wikipedia session on Indian artists. That's the schedule, right? So I hope you all are having your share of fun on the platform. And if you haven't downloaded the app yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Go ahead and download the app and share it with your friends, please. You can share it and refer it to your friends and family, even your neighbors, so that they can also enjoy it like you all are. Okay, so you Android users, please go on to Play Store and install the app, the Playbook Create and Learn. The link is there in the description of this video. You'll find it later on after the session. You all can, if you haven't installed the app yet, you can do so. Okay, so worksheets and all the regular updates that we have for the summer camp will be uploaded right over here. You can find it in the community section, and once you have downloaded the app, you will be receiving notifications as well. You can also go to summer camp and follow the topic summer camp. If you haven't followed it, please give it a follow so that you can receive the notifications on time and you can be notified of the live classes that are going on. Okay, so we will move on, everyone. All right, so all the greetings are exchanged and done. Great. So everybody, please keep a notebook with yourself. We'll need a notebook for today's class. We will need a notebook for today's class. Let's see, everyone. Okay, so number fumblers it is, everyone. So we will carry on, and right over here is the rules. Very simple. Each question has 4 options to choose from. Keep a notebook with yourself, solve and choose the option that you think is correct. So, okay. Alright, everyone, we are about to start off with the session. So, let's keep the doubts at bay. If you have a doubt regarding any question, I will answer it there and then. If there are any other questions, let's wait until the session is over and then I will be answering all your doubts. Don't worry. Okay, Rhythm, you've joined new. Okay, great. It's absolutely great to have you with us. I hope you can be with us in every session. Okay, so moving on, give me a drop in thumbs up, please. Drop in a thumbs up if you're ready for the session. If you're ready with your notebooks, we'll carry on. We'll carry on and we'll start off, everybody. Just waiting for your thumbs ups. Let me see. Are you all ready? 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th graders, it's going to be a good session. Kids above them, let me see if you remember your maths lessons. Okay, great. Many thumbs ups are dropping in. Great. Keep them coming. Let me see. Wonderful. Okay. All right. So here it comes. I'm going to drop the questions. Everyone. Okay, so here it goes. Question 1. Everybody focus on the question. Timmy and Tommy are 2 boys whose ages add up to 23. Timmy is 5 years older than Tommy. How old are they? Are they 9 and 14, 12 and 11, 17 and 6, 15 and 8? Okay, Timmy and Tommy, 2 boys, both their ages, if we add them up, it equals to 23. Now, Timmy is 5 years older than Tommy. So what are their ages? Everyone, there you go. Pick up your pens, solve the sum. Let me know. What do we have to do? What are we going to do here? Can anybody tell me? Okay, let's see the answers, everyone. Okay, all right. Quite quick. Many of you are really quick, it seems. A is the answer. Okay, we'll see that. Okay. All right. Keep the answers coming. I will reveal the answer. I will explain everything. So don't worry. Nine plus 14 equals 23. Okay, no, that's not how simple that is. Okay. Okay, they are 5 years apart. So first we will see which part has a difference of 5 and then add them up. Okay. All right. Everyone. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, let's see the answers, everybody. 9 and 14, you all are saying, okay. Yes, well, the answer is 9 and 14. Now, to simplify, how do we do this? Very simple. Let's consider Tommy is X years old and Timmy is X plus 5 years old. Since we learned in the question, Timmy is 5 years older than Tommy. Alright. So, Tommy is X years old and Timmy being 5 years older, he is X plus 5 years old. Okay. Now, this is a very simple... Right, it's a very simple simplification sum over here. So it's very simple. So it's already given. We have to add the ages. So Tommy is X, Timmy is X plus 5. X plus 5 gives you 23. Right? Now, so going by the very simple sum right over here, we add the two x's, we get 2x plus 5. Okay? 2x plus 5 equals 23. In the next step, we will take out 5 and we will subtract it from 23. We get 18. Okay. Now, 2x is equal to 18. Hence, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So, you get the value of x as 9. Okay. Alright. So, Tommy is 9 years old and Timmy is 14. It's not as easy as finding out the difference between numbers. Which one adds up to 23? No, it's not going to be like that. Mathematics is not that simple. It is a bit complicated. Everyone. So this is the very simple way to do it. Okay. Very simple. You just need to consider the ages as x. You know the age of Tommy is x. You know Timmy is 5 years older. So x plus 5, that gives us 23. Following the equation, as you can see right in front of your screen, we will add up x plus x. That gives us 2x plus 5 is equals 23. Now, we will take the numerical to the right side and we'll keep the literal value right over where it belongs. So, 2x is equal to 23 minus 5, which gives you 18. 2x is equal to 18. X will be 9. Why? Because 18 divided by 2 gives you 9. So, Tommy is 9. Timmy is 14. Okay. So, is the question clear? I hope. Everyone, moving on to question 2. We'll move on to question 2. Okay. How many faces does a triangular prism have? Is it 7, 6, 5 or 9? I don't think you need to solve this. It's just a mental calculation that you need to do. How many faces does a triangular prism have? What is a triangular prism? It is like a 3D triangle. Imagine, like, try to guess the faces. How many faces must a triangular prism have? That's why sometimes you hate maths. It's alright, we have all been there. It's okay. But that's the fun, right? Like, the more the challenging it is, it's more fun, I think. Okay, question 2, everyone. What's the answer? Let's see. Okay. C. 5 is the correct answer. Okay, alright. Can anybody tell me why? Okay, majority is saying 5. Can anybody tell me why are we saying 5 is the correct answer? Let's see, everyone. Okay. Alright. Well, yes, 5 is the correct answer. As we can see, now look at the image, everybody. There are 3 rectangular sides and 2 triangular sides, making it 5 faces. faces. If you look at a triangular prism, this is a triangular prism. You can see the image right over here. You have 3 rectangular sides, namely this one, the one on the opposite, and this exactly is the third rectangular side. Then you have 2 triangular sides right over here as you can see. Adding all the faces, you get 5. The 2 triangular faces are congruent to each other, and the 3 lateral faces, which are in the shape of rectangles, are also congruent to each other. Exactly so. Very good. Thank you for the explanation. Very nice. I loved it. Great. Great job, Nirali. Very good. Awesome. So right over here, we can see the 5 faces. Okay. Moving on, everyone. Let's focus on the questions. Okay. Question 3. Right over here. What is the missing number? 7.3 8.1, 8.5, 8.9. What is the missing number right over here? Let's see if you all can solve this. Use your notebooks, please. Right. So we have moved on to question 3, everyone. Let's move on. Question 3. What do you think is the missing number? Use your notebooks. You have the options. Use your notebooks. Okay. Ragvansh, tell me, how did you get the correct answer? You're saying 7.7 is correct. Tell me how. How did you get it? How did you derive the answer? Okay. Yes. Arav, how did you derive the pattern? Let me know, please. Skip 3, Anahita. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's see the answers, everyone. It's very simple. 7.7. Let us try to find the common difference here using the last 3 terms. Okay. Now the last 3 terms are 8.9, 8.5, 8.1, going by the last to the first. So now we can simply find out the difference. It says 8.5 minus 8.1 gives you the difference, the value 0.4, and the same with 8.9 minus 8.5. So it's clear that the common difference is 0.4. Adding 0.4 to 7.3 will give us the next pattern, the next term. It's a sum of operations. 7.3 plus 0.4 gives you 7.7. Okay, going back to the question, everyone. Let's verify the answer. Yes, just verify the answer. If you add 7.3, if you add 0.4 to it, you get you get 7.7. Again, to 7.7, if you add 0.4, you get 8.1. To 8.1, if you add 0.4, you get 8.5, and so on. That is how you can verify your answer. Okay? Yes, Anish, 7.3 plus 4 gives you 7.7. Yes, exactly so. But I needed the explanation from you all how. We have to derive it first. That how do we find the common difference? What is the common difference between all the terms? That is, we find it that it's 0.4. So, following that pattern, we get the digit. That is 7.7. And as I already showed you how to verify, you can add all the numbers, 7.3 plus 0.4 and so on. Okay. So, those saying 3 skip counting, no. 3 or 4 skip counting, no. It's very simple. Yeah. Alright. So, moving on, everybody. Great. So, let's move on to the next question. Question 4. A rectangular pool measures 55.5 meters by 3.5 meters. What is the perimeter? Is it 115 meters, 118, 120, 121 meters? Okay. A rectangular pool measures 55.5 meters by 3.5 meters. What is the perimeter? Perimeter, formula of perimeter, 2 into length plus breadth. I think all of you know this, very basic. Okay, let's see answers for question 4, everyone. A rectangular pole, you have the length, you have the breadth. Calculate the perimeter, very easy. Two into length plus breadth, everyone. Let's see. Okay. Keep the answers coming. Keep it coming. Okay. 188 is not in the option. Real rainbow girl. 188 is not in the option. Okay. Majority is saying 118. Okay. Good. I can see you all. I think you all are solving the problems. Very good. Great job. Keep them coming, everybody. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Okay, here comes the answer, everybody. 118 meters. Very, very simple. I think there's nothing easier than area and perimeter, honestly. I used to love these sums. So, perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Now, we'll consider L to be 55.5 meters and B, that is breadth, to be 3.5 meters. Going by the formula, very, very simple. Perimeter gives you 2 into 55.5 plus 3.5. Okay, so we will simply first solve the brackets. So we will add up the length and the breadth. That gives us 59. Okay, now 2 into 59 gives you 118. Okay, Arav, 110 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Okay, right. Okay, great. Yes, you are right. You're correct. Great. Yes, absolutely correct. So you all can do the simple calculations. Very easy, everyone. So we'll move on, and yes, the answer is 118. Okay, 118. All right. So moving on to the next question, everyone. Let's see. The ratio of lions to tigers in a zoo is 5:2. There are 20 lions. How many lions are there? Are there 10, 6, 8 or 5? Ratio and proportion, everyone. The ratio of lions to tigers in a zoo is 5:2. There are 20 lions. So we already have 20 lions. How many tigers are there? Nothing is easier than maths. Wow, very good. Nothing is easier than maths. Then I think you should focus more on English. Nothing is easier than maths. THAN, than. I think we can help you with that, Nirali. You find maths easy, we'll help you work with your English. Needs work. 8 tigers. Raghavansh, how did you derive the answer? You're learning many things from this class, Rhythm. That's really nice. Very, very sweet to hear that from you. Okay. Alright, if you do not know ratio, it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. You can skip the questions. No worries. But if you don't know, I will help you out here. While I tell you the solution. It's really easy, honestly. And you're in grade 5. Ratio must be up and coming for you in the next grade. So it's really easy. Moving on. Okay. Yes, keep the answers coming. How did we derive? Okay, somebody tell me, how did you derive the answer? Who would like to tell me? 5 into 4 gives you 20. So 2 into 4 is equals 8. Therefore 8. Okay. 20 divided by 5 gives you 4. And second number in the ratio is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. That's what Raghavansh says. Okay. You haven't studied this lesson, you might be very soon. Okay, it's all right. Those commenting you don't know ratio, it's all right. I will help you out. I'll try to help you as much as I can in when I reveal the answer. And if you don't know ratio, it's okay. You'll be learning in the further grades up and coming. So moving on, everybody, let's see the answer. Answer is 8. Okay, again, we will, okay. This is a very common thing that we do in mathematics. If you do not know the value of something, we ascertain it as X or Y. Okay, all right. Okay, yes, here is the answer. So let the number of lions be 5x and tigers be 2x. Since we have the ratio right over here, it's 5 is to 2. All right, and we have the number for lions. So 5x and 2x. So 5x will be equal to 20 since we already know we have 20 lions. So we will ascertain 5x is equal to 2. Therefore, we get the value of x as 4. How? 20 divided by 5 gives you 4. Therefore, the value of x is 4. So, number of tigers is 8. 2x is 2 into 4 is 8. Okay. And 5 into x is obviously 5 into 4, that is 20. And 2 into 4 gives you 8. Okay. So, that's the sum. That's the solution. Alright. Arav, yes, it is correct. It is correct, but the method that we usually use for ratio is we add x. If you do not know a particular number, we use the literals. We use literals, right? We use x and y. We use that. We do that in mathematics. We use derivatives. We use literals and everything. So, right, you are correct. Just the method can be a bit different, Arav. It's right there on the screen, as you can see. But yes, you have derived the correct answer. So, very good on that. We can always take help of literals. That is, if you do not know a particular number, value or measurement, you can consider it as x. Okay. So, 5x and 2x, that is how we counted it. And we already knew the number of lions. So 5x is equal 20 and we found out the value of x, that is 4. So adding on to that, great. So everybody, algebra, absolutely correct. Right. Algebra can be handy at times, right? Okay. So we will move over and right, what do we have next? Next we need to move on and visit the exciting world of playbook.fun. Okay, everybody. So, let me know your scores. How many did you get correct out of 5? Be honest and tell me, how many did you score out of 5? And right here, okay. So, as you can see on my screen, we have the summer camp going on. So, I've already said that you all can follow. Give it a follow, please. If you all haven't, give it a follow. You will be updated regularly about the live sessions up and coming, the worksheets and all that are going on. Okay. Yes, there were 8 tigers in the zoo. Alright, so right, everyone. Great, so tell me your scores and yes, do not forget to install the app, the Playbook Create and Learn. It's there in the description. The link is there, so you all can go ahead and install it if you still haven't. Raghavansh is saying 5 out of 5. Seriously and honestly. Okay, I believe you, Raghavansh. Great job. Wonderful. All of you, whatever your scores are, I'm happy that you all participated, solved the sums and got the answers. Great job, everybody. Really, kudos to you. So that's your Wednesday afternoon class. I will be concluding the session. So stay tuned for the 6 p.m. session today, everybody. It's a Wikipedia session, a quizzing session on inventions and discoveries. Let's see. We'll test your knowledge on inventions and discoveries. How much do you know the inventors? Okay, great. So stay tuned for the 6 p.m. class, everyone. And yes, that's me signing off for today. You've joined late, it's all right. You can watch the recorded session. Okay, everyone. So great. Have a great day further and I'll take your leave. Bye-bye, everybody.